everybody, Shauna here, and I am here with a dressing room to go from Evereve. So if you haven't tried it, you go online, it's 20 bucks. They pick out like 12 to 15 pieces for you and put them together in outfits. And then you go to the store, pick it up, you have a couple days to try everything on, keep what you like, take back what you don't. They automatically do the billing, and it's really, really fun. It's like an unboxing subscription, but you kind of do it whenever you want to do it. I ordered mine on Tuesday, picked it up on Friday. It could have probably been less time even. My friend Jera styled me, and I am so excited. I have 1, 2, 3 bags to go through and try on, and I can't wait. So let me go try on the first outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit. And I forgot to mention though first, if you don't have an Evereve near you, which they're kind of everywhere, but if you don't, they do have a traditional subscription service called Trendsend, so you can always just go and get things sent monthly or however often you want. So if you don't have one by you, I'm sorry, because it's kind of amazing, but you can still enjoy their clothes. So Jera set up this first outfit for me, and I think she did a great job. And this is what I love about this service, is I can mix and match all different things. So I'm gonna do a little bit of that. But the first thing is this sweater, and it's this oversized ribbed Varley sweater. It's really comfortable. It's boxy, which is just the fun style. Really? Can you wrap it up? It's boxy, which is just the style, and it's a little bit short. It has zippers down the side, which is it's a fun little detail. I thought it's really comfy and fun. However, I thought it was too short. I mean, it wasn't crazy. Like if I had my arms down, it didn't show any skin, but if I moved it all, there was gonna be some skin showing. It's just not what I would be comfortable in. But Jera also sent this really cute Creedence Clearwater Revival t-shirt that I love the colors in, and I thought it looked really cute and gave more of a pop of color to this like taupe shirt or taupe sweater. So I thought this was perfect. This is more my style to be comfortable in. So, you know, don't forget to layer cute stuff. Also, I get really hot, so it'd be perfect. Like if I'm dying, I can pull off the sweater and have this super cute t-shirt underneath. Okay, so then the next thing are these boyfriend jeans by Cut from the Kloth. And I really like these. I've tried some other boyfriend jeans from Cuts and I didn't like them. Just a different style. I think these are Connie's. I'll double check, or I'll put it on the screen exactly what they are. But yeah, I think they're cute. Here's my kitty. He wants treats. Yeah, I like them. I like the wash. I like the distressing. Right now, everything's real casual and loose. Thank goodness. There's there's a little bit of gapping back here, but I'm finding that I'm not pulling them up, but kind of maybe pulling them up a little tiny bit, but I wouldn't want them any smaller. I don't know. Cuts stretch out one size, so I could probably size down, but at this point, I might just leave them. Okay, I also got these Gola tennis shoes that are so cute with a little animal print and gold accents. I'll bring those up closer so you can see them at the end. And then lastly, look at this cute bracelet set. Isn't that adorable? I love their bracelets. Look how cute that is. It has great colors in it, grays and terracotta and white and gold. I love that. I love bracelets. Okay, let me go try on the next outfit. I think this was a winner for sure. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I don't think this is what Jera had planned, but I'm kind of digging it. So the first thing is this Marrakech Moto jacket, and I'm not always into Moto jackets, but let me tell you why I like this one. It's so stretchy. It's so stretchy. You can wear it as a jacket. You can just wear it all day. It is so stretchy and soft and lovely. Like, it is just the best kind. It's thin. You're not going to get too hot. It's not going to feel too heavy and awkward and stiff. I just really like it. Okay, so I paired it with this Allison Joy, I think. I'll put up the names of everything on the screen, and I'll also put them down in the description, so if you want to find them and order them or whatever you want to do, they're there. So this Cami is so cute. It has this little thin, like more, I don't know what that called, see-through bit. Makes it a little sassier. Don't worry, sorry, I didn't change my bra for you. Not for this outfit. Not twice in a day, not. I'm not gonna do that for you. Not in quarantine. No, but I just think this is so cute. And I'll tell you why. I don't love, and I've said before, I don't love this polyester-y material. Oh, my cat's just walking by. Polyester material. It has like a t-shirt cami underneath. So it has a liner that is t-shirt, and I love that. It makes me so happy, and it makes it much more comfortable to wear. All right, so then, oh, I put it on with this necklace. I love Evereve's jewelry. It is so cute. And it just kind of adds a little rocker flair without being like, oh, who do you think you are, a rocker lady or soccer mom? Okay, maybe I can be both. Okay, so these gray 7 for all mankind Josephina skinny boyfriend, they are so comfortable. So you think you're all hot chick going out to dinner or whatever, but you're in these pants that feel like pajamas. They're amazing. So these are boyfriends, so they're a little bit short. I paired them with some sassy boots that I thought felt a little bit more rocker. So it's a totally casual, comfortable outfit, but kind of sassy mama, a little bit. All right, so tell me what you think about this outfit. And I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I'm kind of liking on it. I'm not sure it's quite the right time of year for this in the Seattle area, but it's still really cute. So this shirt is by Z Supply, and I'm not really a tie-dye wearer. I don't know why, I just am not ever drawn to it, but this I could probably pull off. It is a really fun textured fabric. I love a dolman. It is the right, perfect length, right? It's covering everything, but it's not too long. There's so much room in here to maybe hide something that's just crept up on you over the last couple months, like me. So I really like this shirt. The color is fun, nice light blue, and they go great with these white jeans. These are cut from the Kloth, and they have a raw hem. They're skinnies. I think they're cute. I have some white jeans, and as you know, it's probably not something you need a lot of. I don't wear my white jeans all the time, but I really like these. Let me know what you think. I put them on with some little like wedge tennis shoes that I have. I think this is a really cute outfit. Nice job, Jara. All right, let me know what you think. I'll go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit, and it's so comfy. I could just wear this every single day. It's so great. The shirt is, or sweatshirt is by Varley, and it's like an oatmeal kind of color. And I'm not gonna lie, Varley is expensive. It is expensive. It's steep for me. I'm like, dang, that's a hoodie. That's tough, or just a sweatshirt. But I will also say, I put this on before I looked at the tag, and I knew before I even looked that it was Varley, because the fabric is so nice, and it just feels like high quality. It is just feels great. It doesn't feel like it's gonna pill, or, I mean, the texture is so good. And so I just know that the value is there. If you can justify it, Varley is great. It is not cheap. So, super cute. I love kind of the detail in this. It's really fun. And it has the zippers on the side. They love a side zipper. I like where it hits on my waist. It's not too baggy, and I love these big pockets. It's so snuggly. Okay, the Varley sweater is a win. Okay, these joggers. My cat just needs a lot of attention today. He's a star on YouTube. This is Georgie. Okay, so now he's gonna go over to the scratcher and show off. Okay, so these are the Sundry joggers, and I've tried them on before. I've tried them on multiple times. I love them. They're so soft. My sister has them. I love them. I have so many pairs of black joggers. I'm like, do I really need one more pair? Do I really need one more pair? And I want these so bad. I wish I would have got these before other ones because I would wear these all the time. They're way better than some of the other ones I have, but I still have a ton of them. So I love these Sundry black joggers. So if you have a chance, I have some other colors too, but if you need some joggers, these are amazing. They're so stretchy and soft and lovely, and I don't know, I like them. Okay, also Jared put in a tank. Let me show it to you. Okay, so the tank is by Spiritual Gangster, and it has, I don't even know what it says, more love, more fun, more hugs, more joy. And I do like Spiritual Gangster. It's really soft, but to me, it is a workout shirt. I wear Spiritual Gangster for that. I think the arms are too low to wear normally. It shows your bra too much, but for like working out in a little sports bra, it's like nothing. I also think they tend to run a little bit short, which is fine for working out. I got my leggings on, I'm just biking along, it's no problem. But normally I'd want them a little bit longer. I've seen people tie them up in the back and be like, show off a little skin. You kids, you're crazy. I'm not doing that, but I do love the fabric, and they always have something fun and cute and lovely to say, really nice and kind. So, okay, let me go try on the last outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last outfit, and does anybody feel like this is a throwback to the 90s? I swear everybody had this style, but maybe it was just half zip, or like, did everybody have this? Right? It's totally, okay, so in the 90s, I wore a zip like this, but then my daughter's like, why do you zip it up? You're supposed to wear it like out like that. Like, oh no. My cat will not stop today. Do you need some attention, honey? Okay, so she wears it like this, and I am just like, I don't know about this style. This looks real dumb. But I like it zipped up. Maybe I like a warm neck. But I love this Sherpa material. It is so cute. And let me tell you the best part. So, about this jacket. I was like, oh, it's just like a fleece jacket. In the 90s, the fleece was much crappier. It wasn't like a fun Sherpa. But the best part of this jacket is gold lining. It's so silky and lovely gold lining. It's the same in the pockets. So it's all soft and lovely in the pockets. Why you tease me with the gold lining? Now I might have to get this jacket. I like it way more than I thought I would. And I think my sister would really like it. So Amber, let me know if this is you. It makes me really happy. Okay. So this is probably the only thing that I haven't liked is this outfit. Okay, let me tell you about it. You gotta go. You gotta go. You're being annoying. First, I don't like all the colors. I don't like the color mix. It's tie-dye. It's a lot of colors. It's not terrible. Like, I'm sure it would look really cute on someone. I wouldn't even notice, but I don't like it on me. Okay. I didn't look at the price, but I know it's not cheap. But I'll tell you the real reason I don't like it. It has like the worst inside fabric ever. Like, I know it's not cheap and it's probably expensive, and it is the scratchiest, worst sweatshirt material inside you've ever, I mean, it's like late 80s scratchy sweatshirt material, like almost terry cloth. It's so yucky. So there you go. I like that it has a raw hem. I like the shape of it and where it cuts, but no, I'm not gonna spend a load of money on a thin, scratchy sweater or sweatshirt. So it's not for me. Okay, so let's talk about these pants. Okay, so my friend Annie loves these pants and she loves them on me. I've tried them on before and I don't hate how they look. Okay, I don't hate it. They're actually way better than I thought, and I've seen them on other people and I love them. I feel like I'm wearing a garbage bag. I don't know why. I just feel like I'm wearing a garbage bag. Okay, also, I don't know if it's just because they're like a little bit snug on my thighs. If I bent over, you would see half of my butt. They have no stretch on them at all. They have a nice elastic waistband that would just slide right down and show the whole world all the action back there. So they are just not a great fit for me. Maybe a different shaped person, they would fit a little bit better, wouldn't slide down quite as much. Again, they're adorable. They're adorable on other people. This outfit is not for me. All right, I'll be right back and we'll recap everything. Okay, that was a lot of trying on. So let me tell you what I like the best. So I did really like this jacket by Sanctuary. Oh, people just need more Sherpa in their life. It just makes me so happy with the gold lining. I'm kind of in love with this. So this might have to stay with me. Okay, moving on. I did also really like this tie-dye shirt. I don't have anything like it. It's really comfortable and casual and really will go with tons of stuff. It would go with joggers, it would go with jeans. Just is really perfect for what we're doing right now and staying home and being comfy. I love them with actually both pair of jeans. These were so soft and great, and I don't really have any gray jeans right now. And so I loved that. And then I always love cut from the cloth, and these were great too. Even though they were just like a little bit big in places, I would wear the heck out of these. The rest were really cute too, but those were my favorite pieces. Remember that your $20 that you put towards your dressing room to go will get refunded to you if you don't get anything. So you're safe. It'll either go to what you purchase or you get it back. Oh, let me show you one other thing of these Gola shoes, and I love these. They're so super comfortable. They're not crazy priced. I got my sister a pair of Golas for Christmas actually. They were a little bit different. They were black, but I love the gold. They're just like a little bit of fun pizzazz happening on your shoes. So all right, I think that's everything. Let me know what your favorite pieces are, and go check out your Evereve store and just try Dressing Room to go. It just, if you have one close by, there's nothing to lose. Otherwise, just get a subscription box. It's really fun. All right, have a good one. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.